The importance of effective communication in solving technical issues. Hello, my name is Misael Alfaro and I am 29 years old. Some time ago, while working at Govax on a Mazak machining center, this is machining center, I am work in a tool shop. Okay, this stopped production and caused concern among the team as we needed to resolve it quickly to avoid delays. When facing this issue, I realized that clear communication was essential with both the technical team and management. First, I explained the problem and what the lack of lubrication meant for the Mazak machining center. This is diagram Mazak machining center, but I noticed it was necessary to adapt my language and be very specific so that everyone understood the urgency. I used a simple diagram to show the lubrication from and how it affected the machine's operation, which helped everyone better understand the problem and the required solution. This experience taught me the importance of adapting technical communication for different audiences. I learned that being clear and direct and using visual aids when needed, it's much easier to work as a team and ensure everyone is aligned to solve issues quickly. Since team, I always strive to communication effectively to ensure the success of each project.